Hello and welcome to another Miss Alley Cat DIY video. Today I'm going to be planning for the week of the 22nd to the 28th, and I will of course be using Dollar Tree stickers. If I happen to use something that's not Dollar Tree, just saying that is a possibility, but I'm going to try and only use Dollar Tree items. With that being said, I've already picked out these stickers. So this is one sticker pack. It comes with 4 sheets, and then this one does have another sheet that's with it, but I only think I'll want to use this side. So yep, I went ahead and picked those out, and I'm gonna try using wax paper. I'll try to not take too long with it, but I just wanted to use this wax paper. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is lay down some checklists. This comes with so many. Look at that, you guys. It's so nice. They are on the smaller side, but like I'm fine with that. Actually, I said I'll do checklists first, but I think I'm going to start with flowers. I think that's a better idea. So that is really pretty. Just gonna put one there. I like the idea of putting this in the corner right here. Okay, and this sticker says, "Make today count." I think that is so cute. I'm going to try putting it somewhere different than I have been. I'm going to see how that works. Let's see. I think I'm going to move it over just a little bit. I think that'll be super cute. Alright, let's see here. I want it to kind of like balance out there where the notes are. I think that is super cute. Alright, we have some more flowers here. You know what, to balance it out, I'm going to go ahead and move this guy and like right there. And then over here I want to take a flower that has this like greenish teal color. Kind of balance it out. Now I'm gonna go in with... Alright, so this pack comes with birthday stickers, which is really cool. 24th is my stepdad's birthday, so I need to put that down here. Try not make it crooked. I'm gonna come in with one of these coffee cups. I do love the coffee cups. And I think I'm gonna use this orange color. Put it on Thursday here. You know what? I think it'll be really cute actually. I think that's too much. I'm gonna, yeah, put it back on Thursday. I think that's cute. Really like this "Make It Happen" sticker. That was from this sticker sheet. That guy right there. But you know what? I think it needs a flower or something next to it. I really do. So let's see what we got here. Actually, this guy has some flowers on it. Let's take like a pink one. I'm actually gonna switch this guy out because this says make it happen and this one says make today count. It's just kind of redundant. I'm also gonna zoom in. I'm gonna take this wild and free. Put it right here. I've decided to move these flowers though. Just trying to figure out where. Okay, I'm going to switch some things around here. That's why I decided to use the wax paper this time. I may change it again, but let's try this. I'll take this flower. I'm going to focus everything more, oops, I want to rip that, on the top here. And put this guy. I think that looks a little bit better. Sorry, the wax paper keeps moving. I should have probably taped it down. But I think that's a little better because it's like something in the corner on each side. Kind of. Anyway, it's a work in progress, but I think that looks a lot better. And yeah, so now I'm going to do some checklists. Actually, I think I'm going to put this little today sticker. I think that'd be super cute. Right there on Monday. Which when this video goes up, yes, Monday is already passed. I am a little bit late on this, but better late than never. And I'm going to go ahead and put a checklist here. I kind of wanted to go underneath that a little bit. I think that'd be cute. Okay. And do this orange color or mustard, and instead of today I'm going to take one of these to-do stickers. I'm going to do with this teal color. It's going to be cute if I take the to-do and put it over top of the checklist. That guy down. Actually, I don't like that, so yeah. I'm gonna move this guy down here and take that to-do sticker off. I need like a flower here, so just looking through these stickers, and I'm gonna go ahead and take, actually, you know, I'm gonna pause on the flower for now. I'm gonna take this guy because I think it's really adorable. The sticker that says good vibes off of this sticker sheet is really cute. I'm gonna go ahead and put that guy there. And I think that looks really super adorable. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start putting this on the actual paper. I don't have any checklists on this side of the week. So I'm gonna go ahead and change that. I think I need a pink one. I'm gonna put it right here on Sunday. I think that's really cute. And then just to balance it out, I do think I need one more. Just trying to decide what color I should do. That seems too different. Let's see here. I wish there was a dark blue, but it doesn't have a dark blue checklist. Yeah, none of them do. However, they do have these here like that say important and different stuff. So what if I took, say, this light pink one, put it right there, and then but before that, what am I saying? I take this important sticker that is a navy blue. I'm gonna put it on Friday to kind of tie it all in. I think this is super cute. It was on the simpler side to do. I'm really happy with it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please feel free to pounce on that like button and hit subscribe. And if you'd like to see more like this from me, please consider clicking on that notification bell so you can be notified the next time I upload a new video. With that being said, this is Miss Alley Cat DIY signing off. I hope everyone has a perfect day, and until next time, bye-bye!